You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
Chilling. Suspense. With your host, Dr. St. Claus, as he brings you the horror. And lots of cheese. Presented exclusively in... So no matter if you like little cheese, a lot of cheese, or if you're a cheese connoisseur,
You're crazy.
pop some corn and get ready for corny. Every Friday night.
They're here.
Don't be scared. FrightNightLive.com.
Don't mind hanging back. You're jamming my frequencies.